Welcome back. If you want to keep your car running like new without wasting money on unnecessary repairs, you're in the right place, because most mechanics won't tell you this. But dirty sensors are one of the most common hidden causes of poor performance. Let's expose the 5 sensors nobody cleans, but absolutely should. 1. Mass airflow MAF sensor. Let's start with one of the most important sensors in your engine, the MAF sensor. This sensor measures how much air is entering your engine, so it can calculate the perfect fuel mix. But here's the problem. Over time, dust, dirt, and oil particles build up on it. And when that happens, your engine gets the wrong information. Result? Sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, rough idling, even engine stalling in some cases. Some people think their engine is failing, but it's just a dirty sensor. How to fix it? Remove the sensor carefully. Use a dedicated MAF cleaner spray. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. Warning, never touch it with your hands. It's extremely sensitive. This one simple clean can make your car feel instantly more responsive. 2. Oxygen O2 sensor. Next up, the oxygen sensor, also known as the O2 sensor. This sensor monitors how much oxygen is in your exhaust and helps adjust your fuel mixture. When it gets dirty or clogged with carbon buildup, it starts sending incorrect data. That leads to increased fuel consumption, check engine light, reduced engine efficiency, higher emissions. Here's the shocking part. Many people replace this sensor unnecessarily, spending a lot of money. But sometimes, cleaning it can restore its function. However, if it's too old or damaged, replacement may still be needed. 3. Throttle body and throttle position sensor. Now, let's talk about something that directly affects how your car feels when you press the gas pedal. Inside your throttle body, carbon deposits build up over time. This affects both airflow and the throttle position sensor, TPS, readings. Symptoms include delayed acceleration, jerky movement, rough idle, engine hesitation. Ever press the gas and feel a delay? This is often the reason. Fix. Use throttle body cleaner. Clean the inside surface. Carefully, don't force the flap open aggressively. After cleaning, your throttle response can feel like a brand new car. 4. Intake air temperature IAT sensor. This small sensor is often ignored because, well, it's tiny, but don't underestimate it. The IAT sensor measures the temperature of incoming air, which is critical for proper fuel combustion. When it gets dirty, it sends incorrect temperature readings. The engine adjusts fuel incorrectly, efficiency drops. Result? Lower mileage, reduced performance, slight power loss. The crazy part? It takes just a few minutes to clean, but almost nobody does it. 5. MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure. Finally, we have the MAP sensor. This sensor measures engine load and helps determine how much fuel your engine needs. When it gets clogged with carbon or dirt, everything goes out of balance. Symptoms include engine misfires, poor acceleration, bad fuel economy, rough running. Some cars rely heavily on this sensor, so when it's dirty, performance drops significantly. Cleaning it can restore smooth driving, better throttle response, improved fuel efficiency. Important warning. Before you rush to clean everything, remember this. Always turn off your engine, disconnect the battery, use sensor-safe cleaners. Only never use water or compressed air aggressively. Be gentle, these parts are delicate. If you're unsure, it's always safer to consult a professional. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more car tips that actually save you money.